Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the visit to a shopping mall. Number 1. I was 10 years old when I first went to the shopping mall. Number 2. My mom took me there. Number 3. The mall was crowded. Number 4. Malls have many different stores. Number 5. The mall is a great place to shop. Number 6. I bought a new shirt and a new pair of shoes. Number 7. I am glad I got to experience something new. Number 8. It was a lot of fun. Number 9. I can't wait to go back again. Number 10. I had a great time on my first visit to the shopping mall. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.